Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can block account on TikTok. Let's launch the TikTok app first and we want to scroll and find account that we want to block. Let's say for example we want to block this account over here. All we gotta do is to click on the arrow that is under the comment section. You click on it and you see we have one section, second section and third section. The weird part is the TikTok hide the block button in crazy way. So if I scroll all the way to the bottom of this, you're not gonna find the block button, right? The block button is not over here. If I scroll all the way to the bottom over here, you're not gonna find it. And that's the crazy part, right? It's no longer here. Instead, what you have to do, you have to go on the account itself, and then you have to click on the arrow on the account, and then you will find over here the block button. It's mind-blowing that you simply have to go all the way to the account. You cannot block it from the video itself. For more tips like this, guys, subscribe and like this video.